Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan. And I want to talk about something just as basic as toothbrushing. I mean, pretty much everybody mostly does it every day, but not necessarily everybody. There was one gentleman that we had who hadn't brushed his teeth for 20 years. And I think it'll be interesting for you to take a look at what that can look like. This gentleman had dental phobia. He was afraid to go to the dentist, and he was even afraid to brush his own teeth. In fact, I asked him how he was able to eat because his teeth were so heavily caked with tartar that it seemed like, well, how is this fellow going to be able to eat? He said, well, he just has soft food that he can kind of mash in his mouth. Also, his breath was not too pleasant, and there were other things going on because of his dental phobia. So we removed all of that tartar. We did it under IV sedation, so he was asleep and he was able to tolerate it. It took a long, long time, hours and hours, to remove all of this cement-like tartar that was there. He couldn't bring himself to brush his teeth or take care of his mouth, and it was causing other problems in his personal life. I don't want to go into detail, but that's the case. And it saved his teeth, and it changed his life, and it's made a different man out of him. We continue to see this person on a regular basis to make sure things stay healthy, and it's a whole different mouth and a whole different life for him. So it's been great, but this was a very interesting situation. I'm Dr. Nemeth. Remember, healthy mouth, healthy body. This is your friend. Have a good day.
Restore your smile and your health with the help of Dr. Nemeth and his associates. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.